Hello, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. It's October 28th, 2013, and I just wanted to recap our trading day from crude oil. We had our first entry at 10:26. I'm sorry, 8:26:31 Eastern Time. A perfect C engulfing candle. We were below the 50, below the 15. Right line trend line was red. Order flow and momentum were with us. We booked 18 tick profit. Second trade, we had a power entry short. We had order flow, momentum, and stochastic with us. The right line trend line was red, and it turned out to be a 10 tick loser. Third trade, again, power entry short. Right line trend line was flattening, but red at the time we took the trade. We had a power entry short. They just weren't working today, and we took a 10 tick loss. Next trade was our biggest for the day. Perfect C engulfing candle right here. Order flow, stochastic, and momentum were with us. This never came back to stop us out short of the top of the trade. We went all the way to the top. 39 ticks. Now we had a bounce and another power entry signal off the 50. This is our version of a reversal signal, which failed. As soon as this candle came back on us, I took the trade out at -6. Then we have the right line trend line pushing down hard. The yellow outline on this candle shows that we have a three-line call where the stochastic, order flow, and momentum are all red. You get a 2/3 candle close below the 50. Took the trade short, 12 ticks. Now this is a trade that I should never have taken. I don't even know. We don't sugarcoat anything here at Right Line. We take a bad trade, we just show it, and there's no signal, no entry. I called a long call, and it came back and stopped us out. Next trade was a very aggressive long. Order flow and stochastic were with us, above the 50, above the 15. No other additional signal though, just a structural setup. Gave us 6 ticks. Next trade, beautiful C candle. Above the 50, above the 15. Order flow, momentum, and stochastic were with us. We got 23 ticks. The trade never came back to stop us out. The C came back 8. We have a 10 tick stop. We're in this trade to the top. Now, this would have been a very aggressive long, which we did not take. At the time that this trade signaled, we had a pivot right in our faces. We don't trade into unbroken pivots. And that unbroken pivot, which ultimately wound up breaking, kept us out of taking this nice long trade here. Then the final trade was a short call here. Cost us 8 ticks. It was a second pivot C, which we don't trade, and I did not see that. So I cost the room 2 trades today, unfortunately. But here's the point. We had a 39 tick winner. We had a 23 tick winner. We had a 12 tick winner, and we had 3 perfect setups, very good setups that just failed. If you added up the total number of ticks we had today, we made 46 ticks. And this is why, this is why, one, we don't post our profit loss on our web page, and that's because this 46 ticks makes it look like if you traded today multiple contracts, you would have booked a nice profit. The fact is, today, if you traded with us and took all the signals, and most of the people in our trading room understand the system sometimes and sometimes notice things that I don't notice. And a very astute trader noticed that this was a second pivot C and mentioned it to me after I took the trade. And I realized that this was really an invalid entry. Irregardless, if we took all of our trades and added them up, we booked what looks like a profit of 46 ticks. If we posted that on our website, plus 46, it looks like you would have made a great profit. The fact is, because we had so many losers today, many, many more than we normally have, if you traded multiple contracts, you would have taken a loss today. And I wanted to make this video to really stress how important the number of losers is and how unimportant this number is. Now, lots of trading rooms, all they do is they just simply hype this number. And 46 ticks sounds like an awful lot of profit. But the fact of the matter is it's no profit at all. So I hope everybody has a really great day, understands the point I'm trying to make, and why simply posting 46 ticks on our website would really be misleading, and we don't want to do that. I also want to post the amount of profit or loss you would have taken trading one contract or two contracts or three contracts. Some people, everybody trades a different number of contracts, and although we have very, very clear-cut profit targets of 6 ticks, first lot, 10 ticks, second lot, your third lot out on a 10-tick trailer, 60% of your contracts off its first target, 20% second, 20% third. Some people may trade that a little bit differently than we do. So we don't post it, but we want you to see how a 46 tick net plus for the day trading crude oil in real time, trading more than one contract, is going to wind up giving you a net loss and profit for the day. I hope everybody has a great day.